Hello everybody, good morning. There, hope you can see me now. I can't figure out how to turn my phone around while I'm videoing, so I just have to do it this way. Bear with me, so I don't know if I'm getting a good picture of me. Anyway, I'm at Sunset Park here on this wonderful Friday, November 15th morning. I love nature, so kind of like to let you guys take a walk with me around up this road a little bit and check it out. I'm off on every Friday now. I work 4 days a week, so that's pretty awesome. So we're here in Quincy, Illinois, late fall, November 15th. There you go. It's the beauty of fall with the colors. This road's pretty cool too. It's kind of stone wall and windy. Very old built wall there. Actually, it's been there for probably early days. Definitely the early days. A little foggy. It's starting to lift. It's lifting quite a bit actually as the sun comes up. Sorry about my heavy breathing. If you hear my heavy breathing, it's just I'm getting old, I guess, and I'm fat. All right, I'm not fat, but yeah. Anyway, I'm not exactly skinny. There was some geese flying over a while ago, but it was actually too foggy where I couldn't see them. A shadow. You see a road over there where we just came from. Winds around. Nature is beauty. I do know as you get older, you get more, into it. When I was young, not such a big deal, but I'm in my mid 50s now, so it's more attractive to see the beauty of nature. Get up here, we can look down in the ravine, maybe. It's probably about 50-foot drop down in there. Can't really tell on the camera, but yeah, pretty cool. You can still see a little bit of the fog up there. It's gonna be a short video. I'm not gonna hold you guys up too long. Just some of you, oh, just a bunch of trees. Well, to some people, this is probably pretty cool. I can assure you. I've been around the country area all my life, and it's still cool to me. It's still, I still love it. I still love, the woods. Not looking at concrete walls. Getting up here to the top of the bluff. And now I'm looking down over a bluff towards Missouri. Of course, you can't see it. A little foggy. I can hear vehicles down there. But yeah, if you really look, you can see a little bit down there. It's about 100 feet down the bottom of this bluff, but maybe a little more. Anyway, I'm gonna get up here to this curve, shoot a little bit more, and let you guys see. It's a beautiful park. Just got up not too long ago, so I'm still trying to get going here. It's a kind of cool picture or video, however you want to call it. I'm gonna have to take a pic of that. So yeah. There you go. Start to see a little bit over there. Actually, it's Quincy Island. You might be able to see over the tree, the very far tree line over there. It's an island in the Quincy area bay. It's called Quincy Island. And then you go across the river from there, and you'd be in Missouri. Those of you local people, you know, you can just ignore that part. You already know that. Get over here. It's kind of a nice view of the wood area into the sun. The sun's getting brighter now. The fog is lifting. There you have it. Nice scenery. I hope to get more on here. You know, some cool nature. Winter time's coming, so maybe we'll get some good snowy pictures. For those of you who live in southern part of Florida, or wherever case may be where you don't get snow, you know, I can throw some snow for you when it gets here. It's not here yet, and I think we got a little bit forecasted for next week, but not enough to really mean anything. If we do, and if I get a chance, I will post it on here. So, anyway, thank you for watching. If I get enough views and stuff, I'll start a whole new nature channel here on YouTube. So, again, thank you for watching. Stephen Brashears, over and out.